Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. Should have something that looks like this. So from this, the one that we're making now, we're going to put the black star. So kindly stay. So we've picked a red bead from the right and two red beads. Then we've crisscrossed on one red bead like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. Then you pick a yellow bead on the right, black bead on a yellow bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left like that. Then now we introduce the black bead, but before that you pass the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. Then you pick a black bead from the right, yellow bead from the left. Then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left like that. Should have something that looks like this. So note that we've begun making the black star. You pass the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. You pick a yellow bead on the right, a yellow bead on the left, a green bead, sorry, on the left. Then you crisscross on the green bead like that. Should have something that looks like this. I hope we are all together. So you proceed. You pass the fishing line through the green bead like that. You should have something that looks like this. Then you pick a green bead on the right, a green bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. Should have something that looks like this. Continue. Pick a green bead on the right. You pick two green beads on the right and one green bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the green bead from the left. Then you pass the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. Then you proceed. You pick a yellow bead on the right and a black bead on the left like that. Then you crisscross on the black bead like that. Then you pull. Should have something that looks like this. Then you pass the fishing line through the black bead like that. I hope we're all together there. Should have something that looks like that. You pick a black bead on the right, a black bead on the left, and then you pass the fishing line like that. You should have something that looks like this. Then you pass the fishing line through the yellow bead. But now you can see the star has formed. And then as you proceed, you'll now see it clearly. You pick a yellow bead on the right, red bead on the left, then you crisscross like that. So have something that looks like this. Pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left. Then you pass the fishing line through the red bead from the right. You'll have something that looks like this. You continue. You pick 2 red beads on the left and 1 red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. And then you proceed. You pass the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. And then you pick a yellow bead from the right and a yellow bead from the left, and then you crisscross from the yellow bead from the left like that. You should have something that looks like this. Then you pass the fishing line through the black bead like that. Then you pick a yellow bead from the right, a yellow bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the yellow bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. And then you proceed, you put the fishing line through the yellow bead like that. You pick a yellow bead from the right, you pick a yellow bead from the left, a green bead, sorry, from the left, and then you crisscross on the green bead. You should have something that looks like this. Continue. You pick a green, you pass the fishing line first through the green bead like that. You pick a green bead from the right, a green bead from the left, then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. I hope we are all together. You can also check on our previous videos that we have done beading tutorials, so that you can practice more patterns, more colors. So we proceed by picking 2 green beads on the right and 1 green bead on the left and crisscross on the left green bead. As you can observe, this is the same routine that we are repeating. So if you've already understood the pattern, you just continue and repeat the same thing. So guys, I hope we are all together until this point. As you can see, we have already formed the Ghanaian flag. That's how it looks like. So if you'd love us to continue and finish this bracelet, please let us know in the comments below. We will continue this bracelet if you let us know in the comment section. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to come and watch and learn the beadwork.